Yeah, I always say something. This one's better already. It's 2 burner, not 1.
Hey, Gig, Puppy here. Look what I get to open up now. Knife.
Take one of these.
Thank you, knife assistant. Okay. Let's shake this piece of shit out the box. Okay, that opens up a booklet, rack, burner, foam. Seems solid. Where did I put that? There it is. Always cut on the correct side of your cable tie so you can reuse it.
Ah! Gotcha!
Hey, now
I guess instead of that little piece, you want the big piece hooked up on.
and our wings fold out and they clip in like so in these little slots. Yeah, and that goes in here.
Yeah, I know where it goes.
But do you put that in if you're using
And
the
that
hose?
will not connect to a big bottle without an adapter.
No, you screw it directly on.
Yes, I know, but it will not connect to a big propane bottle without an adapter.
It's right there.
No.
Wrong size. I have to get a special hose eventually, so it's a good thing.
Actually, perhaps a reducer.
I don't think they sell a reducer. You don't mess with these with the things on.
Just so you know, Mom,
One he had didn't have one of these on.
Just so you know, Mom, YouTube is getting your backside right now.
Sorry.
Well, this goes on here like so.
See these? They want $5,
That's supposed
$6
to
a piece for them.
Tighten up gas tight, and it's a really round knurl, not very grippy. Well, I guess we have to pop one of these
Where's
open.
my stuff? No. Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. You want to know?
Ignore me. Do not put my belongings.
Okay,
Those
okay,
are butts.
Please stay aware of where the camera is in relation to.
Well, excuse me for existing.
Oh, and this bottle is fun to put on.
What'd you do with it? Chris.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, be cold.
How do you know if it's on right?
If you tighten it, then don't tell me that one can't take the wrench.
There's no place to put a wrench on this son of a bitch.
Right here.
No.
Do you need a lighter?
Turn that.
I don't know that turns.
Well, there are directions.
Yeah, I know.
Try reading them. That's why they come with it.
Well, hey, it's your stove.
Well, you wanted to unbox it, you wanted to show it off, now you sit your ass down and read the fine print.
You guys, aren't you glad your argument's being recorded?
Yeah, hilarious.
This is them after 23 years of happy marriage.
Okay, enough from the peanut gallery. Yeah, okay.
He doesn't have that knob turn, so shit's leaking, does he?
Yeah, you better not be wasting it.
It's not straight like the other knob.
Screw regulator into stove hand tight. Remove plastic cap from top of propane bottle and screw propane bottle onto regulator hand tight. Propane cylinder correctly installed. Yeah, sure, that's right. It's supposed to sit just like that.
Okay.
Never operate stove with propane cylinder in an inverted position. Okay, now,
Is that knob supposed to be?
Inverted, does that mean upside down?
yes.
Okay.
It doesn't say how to open the valve to let gas flow.
Well, you're supposed to turn the knob, that's how you open it.
Well, Wayne, it says right here, max, press. Okay, can't read the rest of it. Turn your press.
Set on a sturdy flat surface for outdoor use only.
Press set.
Yeah, but that won't stop you from using it indoors.
It says press set. Means something I can't read the knob. Wayne is
Well, put your goddamn glasses on.
I see no instruction here in the book on how to make gas flow.
You can flashlight to look at the knob.
Electronic ignition stove, to turn off, close both burner valves firmly.
There's no gas running through it since that knob.
Is there a starter button on that thing? Is that electric?
Well, it says push.
Well,
Press.
he hooked it up before I could read it, so
It says press button.
I need your light, your flashlight so I can read the fucker. You had to put it in black lettering on a black knob.
Well, so far,
Where's your flashlight?
Shelf.
Oh. Or do I have to bring in the other one?
Christy, you got young eyes.
Non-adjustable preset, that's what it says.
Okay.
Not press, preset. Right there's where we're supposed to light it.
You hear gas?
No, I don't smell it either.
Yeah.
Now I do, you just gotta keep turning it till you hear it.
Okay.
Dumbass.
Turn it till you hear it.
Not too hot. Back up, it's gonna blow up. It's that one over there. What you try lighting the right one, idiot?
Are they both on?
No.
No, knob for that one is here. You can see I'm working this one.
Oh, it works.
Well, at least we'll be able to cook for the next blackout. Okay, we know it works. Need to try this side now.
Okay.
Okay, here it is. Got a lighter?
Here. Use it.
I don't trust that one. Get that sharp piece of shit away from me. I ain't stupid enough to burn my hand. Just because you're a dumbass,
At least
don't
this
mean we all
propane
are.
works. At least propane one barbecue works. That burner works. This stove works.
Okay. Now we have the hose attached to a low pressure regulator. Right?
It's for a barbecue.
Wait a minute. No. Okay, fine. I give up trying every time.
You can turn it off now.
Okay, don't waste it. Now you can put it back in the box until we need it. I just figured for $43 it was too good to leave there. Get it while it's there.
At least this one.
He had a gallon can of kerosene, told me we couldn't burn it in these lamps and her lamps.
And why would this be?
Because he said it wouldn't really be kerosene, it'd be white gas. I said, no, that one up there, the red silver can, that's white gas. It says white gas. I said, this one says kerosene.
They even had one of my lamps there waiting for $7.97. The black one I have in there, the lantern. Mm-hmm.
And which store is employing this retard?
Walmart, what do you think?
Oh, okay.
About-
That explains it.
That's about what I paid for my lantern too. They had one there for $7.97. Of course, they had one in the actual lamp section that was
$3.30,
smaller lantern for $10, which didn't make sense.
Yeah, it was a smaller version of the one she's got, but they wanted $2 more for that one than they did the full size one.
Which they had in the camp
Of
section.
course, it's a more convenient size. It took up less space.
But that
just
black one
right,
looks really good. Mm-mm.
But
Now we just have to hook it and put it away.
Yeah. So,
I knew it worked.
Wayne, are you still
It's not a
recording?
yes, I'm still recording. I'm trying to ask a damn question.
So ask.
How is supplies in the store?
Right now they're full of them. They got a 4-pack there for $11.97 of those canisters.
Amazing.
Yeah.
They just
Watch PG&E screw Walmart by not cutting off the electricity, and Walmart can't sell the
They
shit.
just